emergency message. This message is for the following counties: Brazos, Burleson, Grimes, Leon, Madison, and Washington. There has been an unusual influx of raccoons throughout the Brazos Valley region, and residents are advised to not go near any of these wild animals. Raccoons will bluff if they feel threatened or cornered. This could involve the following: growling, grunting, hopping, standing up to appear larger, or even charge at you. It is best to stay away from these raccoons. This message is brought to you by Texas Park and Wildlife Department.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department and the Texas Department of Public Safety. There have been several reports of random attacks of raccoons in the Bryan College Station area. These raccoons appear to be aggressive once it makes eye contact with a human being. It is believed by the Texas Department of Public Safety that this was the result of a sudden influx of several hospitalizations throughout the region. Victims have reported the following: pain in the muscles, dizziness, fatigue, fever, loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, and muscle spasms. As a result, the Texas Department of Public Safety are advising a stay-home order. Do not go outside. If you see a raccoon at all, treat it like it is ready to attack, and do not approach it any closer. Slowly retreat back, and do not make eye contact with the wild animal until it is no longer a threat. You can outrun a raccoon. However, run to shelter if the raccoon starts chasing you. Do not startle a raccoon. It is not normal for any form of wildlife of this size to act calm or unfazed when a person gets too close. The natural response from animals such as raccoons is immediate flight. If you are attacked by a raccoon by means of biting, lunging, or scratching, seek medical attention immediately, and do not hesitate to take action. Rabies will most definitely kill you if untreated. Symptoms may not appear for several months, but do not take a chance. Call 911 if you are attacked in any form by a raccoon.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of State Health Services, the Texas Department of Public Safety, and the Texas Department of Parks and Wildlife. There has been a high influx of rabies cases in local hospitals across the region. All appear to have been sourced from aggressive raccoons. According to an investigation by the Texas Department of Parks and Wildlife, overpopulation of raccoons seems to be occurring, and due to this, a shelter-in-place order has been issued. Do not go outdoors until the situation is resolved. Victims of these attacks have reported that they followed the previous emergency alert instructions on how to deal with the situation, but that the raccoons, once they made eye contact, started attacking. This is an extremely dangerous situation and residents should stay inside. To shelter in place in this situation, you must close and lock all doors and windows and stay inside. Do not allow anyone in your home to go outside at this time. High-end rabies symptoms appears to be showing. Your life is at risk.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of State Health Services, the Texas Department of Public Safety, and the Texas Department of Parks and Wildlife. The situation with the aggressive rabies has been resolved. The raccoons has been treated with an airdrop of gases of an experimental drug. After a week, it seems that aggression has calmed down and that residents may now return to normal operations. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming may now resume.